Hi, I'm Alexis Sheffield. I'm the horticulture agent here in Boyle County. And today we're going to talk a little bit about seasonality of some of those cut flower varieties. So just like fruits and vegetables, there are seasons for cut flowers. And a lot of the times when people think annuals, they think warm season. But there's actually hardy annuals that are more cool flowers. So these are cold-loving annuals, exactly the way they sound. They can actually be direct sown in the fall as well as early spring around the February time. If you direct sow them in the fall, they will actually form a nice little clump of foliage and they'll overwinter. They will take those nice cold temperatures. They don't mind any snow and they will bloom extra early in the springtime for you. And you can then sow those in February, March time as well to even extend that season longer. And then you have your traditional summer annuals, and so those are going to be those workhorses of the flower garden. They're typically the easiest, the cheapest seed, the fastest to come on, and you're going to sow those in springtime for those summer blooms. So things like the zinnias and the celotias, all those ones that we love and are just those pops of color in our gardens.